Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make K-pop in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we will need is water plus fire. And then from here we're gonna go for another fire right here, add it into steam so that we would have engine. And then once you have engine, add steam into it, and then add earth right here, and another earth to create mountain, and then add it to train to create tunnel. And then once you have tunnel, you want to add earth right here, and then add wind into it to create dust, and add it with tunnel to create mine. But we're just going to set it aside for now. And then we're going to go for dust, and then add water into it, and then add mud so that you would have, tunnel, add tunnel into mud right here, and then you'd have mole, and then you'd have water plus water equals lake. And then after that is you want to go for mountain is lake, and then you'd have ford. And then from here we're gonna go for fire right here, and then another fire to create volcano right there, and then add it into ford, and then you would have island. And then once you have island Iceland is that you want to add a volcano here, and then add wind into volcano so that you would have eruption, and then add it into Iceland, and then you'd have Bork. So once you have Bork is that you want to go for Iceland again to create music. And then once you have music is that the next thing that you want to do is to simply go for we're gonna go for a lake right here, and then we're gonna go for volcano, add it into lake to have island. And then once you have island is that you want to add another island to create continent. And then once you have continent, you want to add mountain into it so that you would have Asia. And then once you have Asia, add music into Asia, and then you would now have K-pop. And all you have to do now is just deselect this so that you would remove it, and now you have this one, it's K-pop.